I want to start by congratulating you on Swagatam. It has released and it's getting much attention. How does it feel?
The response is very good. We had a shooting in the pandemic time, but the response is so good. So now we are so happy, and we are very much confident. Now the response will be growing.
Yes, for sure. Let's go and talk about this movie because it's suspenseful, it's a thriller, it's a romantic comedy. I feel like it has so many elements just brought into it
Yeah.
together. How was this movie described to you? How was the narration of this?
First of all, the narration happened the before a month of a shoot, before 1.5 months or 2 months back of shoot. I met with the director. Director told me that film is very different. If you want to do this film, it will be a charming film with a thrill, with a humor, with a love story, rom-com. Everything will be there. This is pure masala film. We are making it for an OTT. The Gujarati people needs an OTT release directly. So the film happened, and the narration was like very quick. The narration happened just for 25 minutes, and it was so good. So I loved it. The character is very different. So and basically the story stays in the Haveli. So
Right.
I am newcomer in the Haveli. I come in the Haveli after so long, and the surprises happened.
Right, for sure. Can you describe your character Manav to the audience? What do you think is the greatest aspect about this character?
Manav is like a pure family boy. He's a pure Gujarati guy. He loves to stay with family. He is like so good in love. So basically, he's a very next door guy, but he doesn't know how to handle the situation. So biggest thing in the film is Manav doesn't know how to solve the situation, and he doesn't know what will be the solution. So this is a difficult time for him to be in the Haveli with a lot of thrills. So basically, the Manav is a pure guy. He's a very innocent, basically a writer. So he thinks a lot. He thinks with a different perspective, everything. So this is all about Manav.
Right, and the movie has so many layers, Malhar. I can't even describe to you. And we had the honor of watching it as press a little bit before than everyone else. And I have to say, there's so many layers. Right when you think you know something, it changes on you. So
Yeah.
how did you all put that together? How do you describe these different layers of the movie?
So my dear director was so clear. Director was so happy. He wanted to do this film in a different way with a lot of cast, lot of things, and the film begin with a very sharp note.
Right.
So everyone is on the edge. Okay, what will happen next? What will be the next move? What will the next thing? So the element of the mystery and the element of the thrill is so much there that every 5 minutes audience will be on the edge, more in the edge, more on the edge. So I love that thing that people are laughing also, people are on the edge also, people are like in the thrill also. So there are so many different layers, so many different characters. There is Mama, there is Nani, there is Masi, there is my girlfriend, there is Doctor. So many characters. So to give the to give the proper proper guidance to the character that this is happened like this is happened like that, this is happened like that. So everyone was so clear while the workshop. So the layers is now getting cleared.
For sure. You mentioned some of these actors that you work with, the characters. Some of the ones that really struck out to me was the uncle, Ratan, played by Jay Upadhyay. He has so many different layers, and you just never know what's going to happen to him. How was that experience working with him? And I'm sure you must have learned a lot from him, right?
Yeah, of course. So basically, I'm the lead actor of the film, but
Right.
everyone on the set, the actors are so senior to me. So I learned everything from them. They are so clear in the character. They are so pure in the character. They be in the character throughout the film. That is the main thing that people should understand. The characters becomes like the main thing.
Right.
And Jay Upadhyay is so good character. He got famous in last is one of the series. So he has that thing on web series mode that he knows how to create the aura. He knows how to create the character in such way. He has layers, lot many layers. Each and every character is linear, the clear cut scenes from first scene to last scene. But the only Mama has that element. Jai Upadhyay has only element that he can switch the character in a minute.
Yeah.
So it is difficult, but of course, it is a lovely thing to be associated with this. Jai Upadhyay is memorable.
Yes, of course. And the switch is so quick from serious to
Yeah.
comical, and you're always wondering where that is coming from. Another big character of the movie that struck out to me, and also she's so known. I have to call, she's almost a legend, or she is a legend, Vandana Pathak ji. I believe this is not the first time you were working with her, so you've had those interactions with her before, but how was it working with her, and what do you think she brought to the movie?
She's so charming. She is so good. She's perfect actress and she's complete package. She knows the emotion. She knows the laughing things. She knows the smile elements. She knows everything. And one of the best thing, she is such a great human being, and she loves everybody on set. And in Golkari, we had a great bond after that. So I only called her for this character, and she said yes. Malhar has called me, then we will do it. And on set, she was so good, and she only knows how to create a magic in character. So and she did it, and I learned so many things from her too. But she's so good, yeah. And our bond is now family bond.
મારા માનવની કુંડળીમાં લગ્ન યોગ
બહુ દુઃખ સાથે કહેવું પડે છે કે છે.
ટાણા ટાણા ધીંતા 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 ધા
તમારો માનવ બહુ રંગીલો છે. ત્યાં મુંબઈમાં બેઠા બેઠા બહુ ભયાનક વાર્તાઓ લખે છે.
એક સસ્પેન્સ
If I was to ask you what was the hardest aspect about this movie, according to you, what would you say?
There are like ample of characters to justify each and everybody. It is a difficult task for the director. For me, the difficult task is I have to be on set 110%. I have to observe everybody. Like we cannot shoot in a linear way since scene one, day one of shoot. We shot climax on the fourth day. We shot the other things on the third or fifth day. So it is difficult, to be on set, to stay in the character properly. Everything is hard. But, the hardest part is to cope up with everybody properly on set with the character, because we are friends. We can't be friends in the film. So, we have to be very quick in it. But yeah, it happened. So hardest part to perform with friends in a different way, I'm saying. But yeah, it's fun.
You know what I thought the most interesting aspect was? I feel that this was kind of breaking the normal image of a Gujarati movie or even an Indian movie in that sense. The movie had no songs. It was all based in one day. And, there's so many elements going on. What do you have to say about the movie having that kind of a quality to it? Why do you think the director and the producers wanted it like that?
See, it's a pandemic time. We
Right.
wanted to shoot in a one location. So we shot 90% film in the one location. The only one day we shot outside the location. So that's the difficult part. We wanted to make it in a very different way with a compact, the one place and lot of many characters. That was the idea of the director, that we should shoot in one place with a lot of characters, lot of actors. So it happened like that. So in pandemic, of course, producer Bharat Sevak and director Neeraj Joshi has decided to do a Gujarati film for an OTT, and it happened very properly. We shot it in 23 days. We
Wow.
completed our film in 23 days. So it is just a magic thing, but the bond with the teamwork and the bond in the actors, they genuinely are so good. So this teamwork only is the solution when the pandemic time is there, when the situations are so sad, like people are not going out everywhere. We were staying in the same location, we were shooting in the same location. So now everything is nice, but to decide and to do this subject is a commendable thing.
Yes, for sure. Was it a different experience for you as an actor to do everything in one location and everything being so suspenseful and comical? So you really have to make those changes in your acting all the time. How did that work out?
See, when I'm on set, I chill a lot. I am like another guy on set. I enjoy a lot. But when the work comes, I'm so serious. I go on set very punctual on time, rehearsals, workshop, reading, camera rehearsal, everything I do. But there are so many characters, I have to be present with everybody because I was shooting every day. And the character is so important that I can't react off. I have to react on time. So it is difficult, but of course, the teamwork is so good. Actors are so supportive. They be in the character and give the reactions to other actors. They help actors to grow, to create the magic. So this is all about teamwork.
Malhar, if I was to ask you, what do you hope the audience takes out of this movie? What would you say?
Audience is happy. Audience is seeing the different kind of a Gujarati film. They see the film is different, the element is different, the logistics is different, the characters are so different, the background music and the songs are so different. There is no song, but in the film we are like on the 70s songs we are
Yeah.
playing in the character for the character.
Right.
So this is a lot of fun, and the story, the base plot is so different. It has not come in the Hindi films or not even Gujarati films. So people are enjoying with it. That the characters are so different, and basically it's a happy-go-lucky film with a thriller and with a humor. So they are fine with it. They are enjoying.
Right, and would you say, Malhar, that this movie has an international appeal, perhaps? Because I don't understand Gujarati, but I saw the movie and I understood the subtitles the whole time I was following through. And, I loved the movie. So what do you have to say about that? I think it can reach to a bigger mass community.
Yeah, of course. People can, of course, we see Russian cinema, we see Tamil cinema, we see Telugu cinema. Then everybody, those who don't understand Gujarati, they of course can, because it's an easy film. It is not the vintage film. It is a realistic film. The subtitles helps a lot to understand the film.
Yeah.
So of course, we will have a massive audience and international market also. They will be happy to see our content.
Right. What's your personal hope with the movie?
Personal hope for the film? I hope it will create magic. When we shot the film, we had a great fun. The same fun I wanted from the audience. They will love it. Please watch it out. Please watch it.
થ્રિલર છે એક ડેડ બોડીથી વાર્તા શરૂ થાય છે પરંપરા કબાટમાં લાશ છે
અરે
મારી જવું છે જીવવાની ઈચ્છા નથી
અરે મારે તો એક નાની અમથી જગ્યા જોઈએ છે
અરે યાર જાઉં નહીં
Yeah, and it's streaming right now on Shemaru Me, so they can go ahead and make an account and start watching the movie. It's a fantastic movie. While I still have you here for a couple of more minutes, I have a couple more questions left for you. You have Vaat Vaat Ma also released on Shemaru Me, and it's a web series. What is it about? I would love for you to just quickly talk about that.
Yeah, so Vaat Vatma is a Gujarati series. It is there on Shimaromi. The story about a couple who wanted to get a divorce. They wanted a divorce. On the next day, lockdown happened, and we are in the same house with our lawyer.
Oh, wow.
Then it's a story of 6 episodes. People have a great fun. There are so many moments. Then people can relate it because lockdown happened. The breakup were on the peak. Divorce were on the peak.
Right.
So the audience will connect this story because then we are 3 in the house, lawyer, husband and wife. How they will solve the situation, how they will handle the situation. Now it is compulsory to stay in the home for 21 days. So how it will happen. So the story is just like flawless and amazing.
Wow, and inspired by true real life events, the pandemic that's happening.
Yes. I'm still single, so I'm not experienced, but yeah.
Of course, I can imagine. we're coming really close to the time, but I'd like to ask you something more serious. I know you have been working with an NGO since last year to provide pandemic relief. There's a lot that's happening in India right now. Gujarat just went through a cyclone. How are you doing, and what's going on in the community? I would like for you to share that with us, and also give some information on the NGO so that people here perhaps can send some more help.
Of course, I did my help with 10 lakh rupees in the whole lockdown. In 1.5 years, I helped to the people with 10 lakh rupees.
Wow.
I provided a food kit, I provided tiffins, I provided monthly expenses. The time is so difficult. Like, we thought it will be okay by January 21, but it is now so bad before, just like in last year. The time is so bad. We are helping each other. I always tell everybody that help everybody, be kind for everybody, because the time is so bad. The cyclone happened so much with the corona of second wave, with the so many deaths in a day. Like, everything is so bad, but we are very hopeful for the next time. The next days, everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. We are praying. We lost our friends, we lost our relatives, we lost our dear ones. But I would be happy to help everybody. Like, I would really wanted to help everybody. So I opened a small NGO that I can help everybody. Then, even though personally, people send me some amount, people send me some, grains and everything, food packets, everything. So I provide everybody.
Wow.
So for this time, the help is so much needed to everybody. So I would request everyone to help everyone and be kind with everyone. And the time is so bad. Indians are facing so many problems day by day. Second wave, cyclone, heat, everything is there. But if you really want to help, you can of course help. I will send the details where you can donate anything you want.
Wow, that is really, really amazing. We will display all that information, Malhar, for you so that people actually know exactly where to go and, donate. It's so important. I hope you stay safe and your entire team stays safe. I would finally like to request you to give a message out to your Gujarati community, to all the fans you have here in the United States. Gujaratis are everywhere, and I'm sure they're really excited here as well. I would love for you to finish this off by that.
So sweet of you. That was a great interview. I hope I answered it properly.
Oh, of course.
And each and every Gujarati, each and every person who likes to see the films, please watch our film, Swagatam on Shemarumi. You will have a great time. It is a roller coaster ride with a fun, thrill, mystery, and rom-com. So you can please watch our film on Shemarumi named Swagatam.